What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is actually really past due. Probably got the exhaust, I want to say late October, early November. I know it was right before the accident. That's the reason why, I didn't really make a video on the exhaust, and I kind of just forgot to make a video on the exhaust because once the car got into the accident, I didn't have it for a while, and then other things got, pushed up to priority just to get the car back on the road. So it's really nice outside today, and I figured I'd take the time to go ahead and show you guys what I got on the car. Those of you that have watched my previous videos or follow me on Instagram, I know you've seen that I've had, a few different types of exhaust setups on the car, but this one is definitely by far my favorite one, and it's probably not going to go anywhere as long as I own this vehicle. So let me go ahead and just show you. All right, so for you Jersey guys, this is the Burlington County Mall. They shut it down. I'm not too sure when. I know that they still had a few stores in there, like a Flaming Walk and all that, but it's been on like a downfall for a few years now. But it's really eerie and kind of creepy here. And there's this random car all the way back there, probably about a quarter of a mile out. I didn't realize how big this parking lot was behind until I saw it, empty, but I don't think I'm supposed to be back here. I didn't see any signs, but I know for a fact if the cops come, they're gonna have to make me leave. All right, so as you can see, this is a 4-cylinder, and I have 2 exhaust pipes. This is the Trubendz dual exhaust off of eBay. I got this off of eBay. A company makes these and they sell them on eBay. They make them for tons and tons of different vehicles. The tips did not come with it. Okay, I had to have those. I bought those separately. I think they're 2.5 on the opposite end and 4 or 4.5 on this side. I think it might just be 4. But the exhaust itself, I'm pretty sure that the stock exhaust was 2.25, and then I upgraded that a few years ago to I think a 2 3/4, and now it's a 2.5. It actually splits right there underneath the bumper, goes back all the way. It kind of gets in the way, like you can see it. If you're behind me and you're looking down there, you're gonna be able to see that the exhaust, splits right there, which is okay for right now because I'm gonna be getting like a rear lip to cover all that up, so you won't be able to. I'm either gonna make my own or I'm gonna go buy one. Probably just gonna end up making my own, but I hate looking at that. Not that I care that people know that it's not a true dual exhaust. At the same time, it is a 4-cylinder, so they did not come like this. And it can't really be a true dual exhaust because all 4 of my my exhaust manifold is one piece because all of my the exhaust ports are on one side. Okay, but yeah, so it is all the way up, straight piped to the cat. I did not put the cat on to begin with. I still had that the gutted one from when I gutted the how to make your Honda shoot flames video. When I gutted my cat from there, I had it on there for a while, but it was way too loud, extremely way too loud. So I ended up having to go and buy another catalytic converter, one that wasn't gutted, obviously, and I threw that in there, and it helped a little tiny bit, but very slightly. I don't know what it is. I think it's because there's 2 now, and I'm sure that the exhaust tips help a little tiny bit too, but it is immensely loud when I'm driving. Right before I hit my power band, which is around 4,000 RPM, the car is extremely loud. It is so loud. And when I started up in the morning, I know that my neighbors hate me. I thought that they hated me before when I had the single exit, but now I know with both, if I start this car in the morning to go just heat it up, and I go back into my house, which is probably a good 75 to 100 feet away from where I normally park my car, I can hear it if I'm on the opposite side of my apartment. Yeah, that's how loud it is. If I leave it on and I go running into a store, the whole entire time I can hear the car rumbling. Until the car warms up. Once it warms up, it's a lot better, but I guess because it's so low in tone, like it's really bassy, so it carries in, like inside of like buildings. Oh, is my hand dirty? No, it's just my shadow. The exhaust tips right here, they're blue. I got this like neo-chromy looking part right here. I had them bring them out just a little bit. And with this side, actually, for you guys that only have one, the rear bumper is the same rear bumper off of the V6. So what they did was they have this cover. So you see this right here? Ignore that the wrap is messed up because I didn't care because I'm getting like I said, cover here. But see this slot here? That slot doesn't come on the 4 cylinders. There's a thing in there, and all you have to do is it's like a little a clip in there, and then it pops out and makes this spot for you. So just imagine this being one continuous piece through, like completely straight. If you go up in there, there's a 10mm clip. Take the 10mm clip out, and I think there's 2 screws, and then the whole entire thing just pops out. So I had no problem. I didn't have to like mod the rear bumper to put the other exhaust tip in there or anything like that. The bumper is the same as the V6 one, except it comes with a cover, so you don't have an extra slot for no reason. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you, give it a few revs. Then I'm gonna go ahead and drive it around up in here. I'm not gonna be going too fast, but I'm gonna go ahead and drive it up in here. Hopefully I can make it pop for you guys that enjoy the popping noise, but like I said, I don't really have, I mean, I do have plenty of playroom, but I'm kind of nervous being out here. So I'm just gonna try my best to keep it low. But anyway, I'm gonna put the camera down, start up for you, give it a few revs. I'll be back after all of that. There's no reason for me to like come back and start explaining what I'm gonna do next. That's why I'm explaining it to you now. So I'll be right back. All right, so you see what I'm talking about. That was only to 4K. That was 4K, and it made all of that noise. Like I said, it's quiet until I hit around there, and then it's just ridiculous. Screw your eardrums, we're getting really loud. So now I'm gonna place the camera this way. I'm gonna be driving up around so you guys can hear the underload. All right, so that was the exhaust inside of the car. Now I'm gonna show you what I hear from the inside. Wait, yeah, that was the exhaust from the outside. Now I'm gonna show you what I hear from the inside. So, yeah, I don't know what that car is. Oh, it's another 7-inch Accord. Look at that. But I'm gonna stay away from them. Might be out there doing the drugs, okay? Yeah, it's still really loud in here. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here now because I don't want to get in trouble, and I kind of just made a lot of noise. So there you go. That's my dual exhaust by Trubendz off of eBay. Had it welded to the car, then I got the 4-inch, 2.5 in, 4.5 or 4 out, blue chrome tip, you know, exhaust tips. I love it. I love the exhaust. I don't love the noise as of right now, but I got the stock, or not stock, I got the plain piping without any resonators or mufflers or anything like that, so I could add my own. So once I have a good idea on what I want, I might go with like a single MagnaFlow or Flowmaster or something like that. Something I like the low bassy sound. It doesn't sound too much like a lawnmower, but yeah, I'm hoping I can get something in there, and I got plenty of room to work with because it's all raw pipe. There's no cuts or anything like that yet, and I have like in total maybe 8 feet of straight pipe. So there's a lot of space, and that's just like, that's not including bends. So there's a lot of space for me to go ahead and insert my own exhaust in there. It's another reason why I got it, because it's fully customizable. Yeah, so hopefully you found this video helpful. I know, hopefully I answered some of your questions, because I have been asked about it very often. I've been asked for the link to this exhaust so many times. I should have by now saved it somewhere, but I really haven't. But this will be the video to end all questions. It's welded on. I have my catalytic converter, stock J-pipe or flex pipe, stock exhaust manifold. So the only thing that's aftermarket is from the rear of the cat back, and it's just pipe, 2.5-inch piping, split underneath the tire well to go left and right to make it a dual exhaust. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Appreciate you guys coming back and checking out the channel. We did hit over 2,000 subscribers, so really soon. I already have it, and I know I showed some of you on Instagram through DM my plans for the car to celebrate my 2,000 subscribers. So that's coming soon. There's a bunch of stuff I got to do to like set up for it, but I did make a purchase that's gonna change the car quite drastically, or at least I'm hoping so. But yeah, so thanks for checking out the channel. Appreciate you guys. All right, have a good one. Be safe out there.
Find me in the corner.